Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today, and I want to talk about buying a process or buying a piece of equipment. If you want to buy a process, then come and talk to us. We can help you figure out recipes as far as abrasive recipes, pressures, distances, angles, different machines, maybe multiple machine setups. That's what we're here for. Sure, we'll sell you a piece of equipment, but it's not going to do you any good if you don't have a process built out and you don't have some sort of plan put in place to make it happen. If you're running a business, you know how important this is. So that's why you call us. We can help you get set up very quickly with a process, not just a tool. What I wanted to share is we do sleep a little bit, so we're not going to answer you 24/7 exactly. We rest a couple hours, but we have enough people in the office that can respond back to you 18 to 20 hours out of the day. So 3 to 4 hours, we're going to sleep, and then we'll respond back to you and help you out and dial in a process. Look, it may take some trial part processing, which we do free of charge, by the way. It may take a couple days or a couple weeks of on the phone and emails with you. Heck, you might even have to come and visit us. But that's what it takes sometimes to build out a process. And look, we're more than happy to help you do that. So if you want to buy a cheap tool, then go on down to Harbor Freight and buy a cheap tool. If you want to buy a process, call us up and we can help you do that. And look, there's not many other companies in the world that are going to help you develop a process like we can. We have 7 years of knowledge that is here to help you build out processes. We've worked with every different manufacturing company in the world and built out processes and specs for people. So if you have a spec, that's okay, that's perfect. That's what we like to hear if you're in the medical or aviation world. But if not, let us help you develop a process and a spec that can actually make you successful from the very beginning. Because again, that's why you buy a piece of equipment from us, so that you have a process in place. You're not just buying a piece of equipment that has a bunch of fittings and nuts and bolts and pieces on it that doesn't do you any good if you don't know how to use it. So if you have questions about what we talked about today, give us a call, shoot us an email. Somebody in the office is happy to talk to you and help you out. And if you like what you saw, subscribe to the YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Follow us on the Instagram page and like our Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching. Take care.